up, Kings? NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a that nap life video. It is summertime, and during the summertime, I like my natural kinks to stay locked up. I won't let it out unless I have to wash it, okay? So I am in protective style mode, and I'm going to get it started with this curly unit right here. Yes, I have not been one to rock curly bangs, but your girl is feeling this, and I want to show you how I got the look. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. There you go. Welcome back, Kings, and thank you for hanging out with your girl for another wonderful Sunday. If you're new to this channel, then I would love to encourage you to join Team Kinks by subscribing to NappyFu TV. And don't forget that notification bell. I'm just saying, please. I don't want you to miss when I'm all up on your screen. Shout out to Her Giving Hair for sponsoring this video, y'all. I had fun creating it because I normally do not do bangs at all, especially not no curly bangs, but I was challenged with this unit, and for the most part I think it came out pretty cute. Let's take it back to the beginning and see exactly how I got here. All right, so Her Giving Hair sent me out their Curls is Poppin' unit, okay, in this black and sturdy box, if I may add. In the box you get this little pamphlet telling you how to take care of the hair, and they also send you 3 different ways to secure the wig. You can use additional combs, a band, or the clips. The wig already has 3 combs sewn onto it, and you might find this is actually enough. This is a frontal unit. It's not a full lace. It's not 360. So one thing I want to mention is that with these frontal units, you find yourself being able to secure it a lot easier and better as opposed to having to secure a full lace type of wig. Okay, y'all. Well, let's go ahead and get started with the cleaning of this hair. All right. So I was gonna color this unit like I always do with most of my units or my bundles. I will always color it 1B to match my natural hair color. I usually don't like to leave it the natural brown, but I mean, it is bangs, and I know I'm never going to bring my hair out or try to blend my hair in or anything like that, so I decided not to color it. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and wash this out. I will go ahead and rinse it, you know, like you normally do with your real hair. I get it all wet and everything, and I'm going to use a cleanser. I'm using my cleansing conditioner, which I tend to use this stuff more now for my units or for my bundles as opposed to for my hair. I'm going to pretty much work this all the way in. I like using cleansing conditioners because it's not as harsh as shampoo is, and even though shampoos would definitely get your unit super clean, it could also dry it out. So cleansing conditioners gives you enough cleaning for your units that you don't have to worry about anything being stuck to it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on a deep conditioner. I like to use the silicone mix for my units, y'all. I only use this on my weaves, y'all. I just like the results that it gives my weaves. It gives it like a really nice and soft and moisturized type of feel to it. I've tried this on my hair one time, but I won't do it ever again. There's just some things you need to leave in curiosity, okay? Anyway, 30 minutes later, I went ahead and rinsed it out. I did leave it on longer than I needed to. I got carried away. You see that black stuff on my hand? I was coloring another unit with the 1B, well, the off black hair color dye that I had. Anyway, all right, here we go. Let's prepare my hair for this unit. I went ahead and braided my hair down in cornrows, y'all. Like I said, I am protective styling to the max this summer, so cornrows it is. I normally don't use cornrows underneath my units, but this time I am because I really want my hair to be tucked away. All right, so I went ahead and moisturized and I greased my scalp. Okay, forehead all in your face. All right, y'all, let's set and shape this Curls Poppin' unit. Okay, let's get it together. Let me see how it's looking from first impression. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm feeling it, y'all. I'm gonna have to break out these scissors and do some work. Okay, so I'm gonna pretty much shape this to my face until it gets to a place that I like. So, Kings, I know there is something around my mouth area that you are like, what is that? Did she get, is that braces? Yes, honey. Yes, honey. It's honey. Honey, it's braces. Okay, y'all. My mouth is all braced up. Trying to get that top grill back in line. It used to be in line. This is my second time having braces, but my tooth shifted because I lost my retainer. But now this time around, I'm going to get it right. I'm going to keep it tight. Okay. All right, y'all. So after some shaping, this is what I came up with. And I think I like it. But let me get this face together. Ow, she cute. I say, ow, she cute. You better work. Hey, you better work. Don't mind my silly self. Okay, y'all, so here I'm trying to do those YouTube poses. I'm like, how long do I hold this stare? Anyway, let me get back to my regular self. But yeah, the combs on these units, y'all, were all the securing that I need. It also has bands at the bottom, like the adjustable straps at the bottom. That's all I needed. I didn't have to attach any elastic band to it or anything else to secure it. And the fact that it's already pre-styled and now that I trimmed it to my liking, this is one unit I can pop on and go. Y'all, I have never rocked a curly unit like this with bangs. I'm feeling this. I'm loving how I was able to shape this little. I see some areas I might want to trim a little bit more, but I kind of like how it's shaping my face because I kind of have like a oblong face. So this kind of the volume on the sides of my face like this, I kind of feel like it, you know, it complements the face shape. I don't know, you know. So as you can see, it has that much of a lace closure with it. And I'm just going to pretty much, you know, bang it out like what it's meant to be. Banged out. I'm really liking this, y'all. I am liking this. So it's summertime. This is a lot of hair, but I like that it's short. It's like to my shoulders, so it's not too long. And this whole summer, I promise I am protective styling like a mofo, okay? I'm gonna do wigs, I'm gonna do braids, I'm gonna do twists, all that. If you haven't noticed, like for the past couple of months, I have really just been rocking my hair out. It's time for her to go on vacation, okay? And this is one great way to do it with wigs, but make sure you be careful. You still want to take care of your hair underneath, okay? So, what y'all think? And now this brings us to today's Snapchat question. What is your summertime hair regimen for your kinks? What changes when these hot months come around? As for me, y'all know I'm going to protect the style. I always do, but now I'm going to amp it up to the next level. Box braids, kinky twists, short hair units. I might even do them long cornrows. I don't know yet. Anyway, remember, your response definitely helps another natural out. Thank you in advance, kinks. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button. And make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that, all of that. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Until then, make sure you check out my other suggested videos at the end of this one, okay? Don't just watch one video on NappyFu TV. Watch at least 20. I'm just saying, like, come on. Until next time, kinks, remember, please, brother, sister, remember to have healthy hair. You got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were, if I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you